This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn free Bitcoin now. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like, it really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. Now guys, today I'm going to talk about how you can get this free Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is going up. It's going up every day. So this is the opportune time to get some Bitcoin and get this money. So please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I'm going to show you a couple of sites you can go to right now and make some free Bitcoin so you can get this money. All right, without further ado, let me hop over to the first site. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm at the first site. Now, I've never talked about this site before, but what this is a browser. So it's called CryptoTab. So you can earn Bitcoins while using your browser. How unique is that, guys? So all you have to do is just go on here, attach the browser to your computer, just like Chrome or Internet Explorer, and you just browse like you do with Google Chrome. So it says here, CryptoTab is the world's first browser with a built-in mining function. With CryptoTab, you earn cryptocurrency just by visiting your favorite sites, watching videos, and chatting online. So you can check it out on regular desktop, laptop, or a tablet, or even your cell phone. So it says right here you can watch a video and just learn a little bit more about it if you like. Click right here to try the browser. And let's scroll down a little bit further. So right here, recommendations and feedback from CryptoTab users. You can go on here and see that. And CryptoTab browser for mobile phones, so it's available on Google Play and the App Store. And here's some tips and news. So mine effectively without a break. So we know you might meet a situation when your mining has slowed down or even stopped. What to do? What to do? We're going to unfold here. So you probably don't know what mining is. Mining is where they mine the Bitcoin, and that's how the Bitcoin is increasing. When they mine it, they're making more Bitcoin. So, want faster mining? Enable CTVPN. Easy steps for faster mining. Mine on your mobile anywhere you want. Earn more while staying at home. And don't get ripped off. Turn VPN off. So guys, you're not going to be doing actual mining. All you're doing is searching, and you're making money just searching on this browser. So that's how that works. So if you have any questions, you can come down here on the website. So they'll tell you how does mining affect the computer. From my knowledge, it doesn't really affect the computer, but it says here, CryptoTab browser uses only idle resources of your computer. In most cases, mining will not interfere with other tasks such as surfing the web, watching videos, etc. You can also reduce the speed of mining. So how to withdraw funds? So sign into CryptoTab.net with one of your social media accounts. In the CryptoTab browser menu, select Withdraw BTC, enter the Bitcoin wallet address and the sum to withdraw. Wow, guys, sound very, very simple. So this just lets you know how to import settings and bookmarks on CryptoTab. Why do you need to log in? Just tells you that. Mining works, but balance doesn't change. So that's just telling you if you have any questions about certain things that might come up, you just come down here and they'll answer it for you. And they also have affiliate accounts, so get used of ready-made CryptoTab promo material. So start a full-blown advertising campaign of your own using CryptoTab promo materials, banners, so you can join their affiliate account and promote this site or promote this browser. Now let me just look at one other thing here. Let's look at payments general. So here the payments general. Here you can check the latest withdrawal transaction from CryptoTab. So this is something else, guys. This is a good way to earn some free crypto. You just come to CryptoTab.net, download the browser, and get started. Now I'm going to go to this other site I have talked about before that deals with cryptocurrency, but if you have not heard about it, you're going to find out about it right now. So let me go over there. Okay, guys, I'm at the second website. It's called Coinbase. I have talked about this in a lot of my videos. And what you're going to do is earn crypto from learning about crypto. So you can click here to start earning. And what you're going to do is click here, start a course. You're going to earn $3. Right here, you click here, start this course, you earn $43. This one you earn $6. Click here for the course, you earn $6. Here's another $15. Here's another $50 for this one. And when you click on these other ones, they let you know what you're going to be getting. And let's just scroll down here. It says, how does Coinbase earn works? We'll create educational videos to teach you about different cryptocurrencies. Complete a quiz. You're going to be completing the quiz. Then you're going to earn right here. And you can go ahead and start today, guys. So I'm not going to go through everything on this site because I've talked about it many times before. But if you want to go ahead and get started on here and get that free crypto, go to coinbase.com/earn. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button and help me to get at least 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about both of these sites. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys. On my last video, if you guys saw it, I rewarded 2 people for the free money giveaway because we made it to 5,000 subscribers. So my next milestone is 6,000. I want to try to get there by the end of this month of December. And I'm going to reward 2 more people some free money. And what I'm going to do, guys, is let you know in the next video what you have to do to win the free money. So please check out my next video that's be coming soon. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.